Welcome. In front of me is a Neffos X9, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. So start off by actually opening up the settings app, and then scroll all the way down into more general settings, and you'll find reset here. So tap on it, and then choose factory data reset, confirm it, and do it once more by tapping on erase everything. And now the device will begin the process, so just be patient, it might take a couple minutes. And once it's finished, we'll be greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.